Hi, my name is Kelly. As well like you, I'm almost ready for this trip on this fantastic road. To enjoy the adventure, I'm going to bring the essential packing list for trekking. Duffel bag, day pack, original passport, underwear, base layer, trekking shorts and trousers, fleece jacket, insulate jacket, hard shell jacket and rain gear, hat for sun protection, headband or beanie, neck gaiter or balaclava, inner gloves, outer gloves, hiking boots, trainers, trekking shoes and sandals, hiking socks, thermal socks, gaiters, sleeping bags, trekking poles, sunglasses, headlamp, water bottle or hydration bladder, camera, video camera, notebook, journal and pen, personal gear and medications, trekking towel, small legs, waterproof Ziploc bags, isotonic powder, Diamox, general medications, basic first aid kit, sunscreen, lip balm, baby wipes, blister plaster, hand sanitizer. It's everything ready? Great! So we can relax and enjoy our trip. Let's go!